First, I want you to pay attention with me. Yeah, are you with me so far? Great. There are the 6 nouns in the Arabic language in this table. Yeah, this table shows you the 6 nouns in the Arabic and the meaning in English below. Okay? Look to the translation in English and I will read with you the Arabic. Okay? Read with me now. Hen, fa, and above it you find which vowel? Dhamma. So fu, dhu, ham, ab. Hen, fu, dhu, ham, ab. Great. And this hen means think, fu, mouth, and so on. Great. Now you can identify these nouns in any sentence. Yeah, you may say, yes, of course, it's so easy. Okay. I want you now to identify the 6 nouns in these sentences. Yeah, are they related to the 6 nouns? Great job. They are similar to them. Actually, they are not similar. They are the same. How? Yeah, great, you ask me. You will find here up, and after it we find 3 letters. Okay, why? We can connect the 2 letters of the word to other letters. Okay, what are these letters? You will know, but not now. So now we have different forms of the 6 nouns. Yeah. In order to identify the words in any sentence, you have to know all these forms. You took declension before. What's the meaning of i'rab? Declension, which means declension. Okay, so the i'rab of the word here, the word ab, accent is khabar. Hu abuna here is khabar. Okay, the sign here is what? Is dhamma? No. So this is the answer of your question before. Why we put them separately? You asked me this before, yeah? They are signed by not by the 3 signs, fatha, kasra, and dhamma on their ends, but they are instead declinable with letters. In other words, long vowel endings. Wow, here, and alif, and afterwards you find ya. The following table shows us the difference between the regular declension with short vowels ending signs, dhamma, fatha, kasra, and the irregular declension with long vowel signs, alif, waw, ya. Okay, that's related to these nouns. Okay, let's see here. This is a regular declension, signs or short vowels. Short vowels mean dhamma, fatha, kasra. And this is a grammatical case. Nominative, الرافع, nominative here with dhamma. هذا ولد. This is regular noun, regular declension. And this is proper name or common name. Great is common name, like in English. Here, هذا ولد. If I make it bigger, هذا ولد. This is a transcription of the pronunciation of the word. This is a boy. Translation English. By the way, you shouldn't look to the translation all the time. After that, you have to speak English. You have to, Arabic. You have to listen to the words, all the words in Arabic, not in English at all. Nominative هذا ولد. ولد here in a nominative case. في حالة الرفع هذا ولد. Great. And here this is the irregular declension. هذا أبونا. What about أبونا here? If we compare the two words ولد and أبونا, yeah, أبونا with wow accent. So this is the sign, the long vowel. Wow, great. This is our lesson today. We just take only one case as an example. Inshallah, we will take all the cases next time. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.